want to start, like you want to start but you don't know how to start. I'm going to teach you how to start. So the fact that I told my father gave me that, really did not sleep. I did not sleep. Like guys, you say grace has come again, but I'm like, no, I'm not going to overthink. It was jargons. And look for any of your friends that let's to carry your matter on your head like a gege bread. This wisdom is too much. End of this video, I have a gift for you. Welcome to this channel, guys. As you can see, I'm so super excited filming this video, guys. I did not sleep. I stayed up, so that I was going to film this video today. All you have to do, go get a popcorn or some cookies and get a drink, because this video is about to get lit. I don't know what I'm doing, but you guys get. So make sure you subscribe, like this video if you're going to enjoy it, and chill while we get into it. I'm going to be answering 10 questions to talk about this channel, and at the end of these 10 questions, I'm just going to go straight to the free gifts that I have for you. And this free gift is for everybody, for anyone that plans on starting their YouTube channel. So if you want that free gift, do it. The first question is, what is your name? So my name is Grace Chinoso Felix. The next question is, what is your channel name? The name of this channel is I am Fegrachi. I'm sure you're going to be wondering, what is that name? I am Fegrachi is my name. It's basically like my Instagram handle, my TikTok, and my Twitter handle. Basically, I just decided to use that my channel name, so that everything can synchronize. Yeah, that's like the whole idea. Let me explain how I got that name Fegrachi, because I'm sure you are wondering, how is that my name also? I got the name Fegrachi from the initials of my name. I got FE from Felix, I got GRA from Grace, and I got CHI from Chinoso, which is my name. This wisdom is too much. Last question is, what is your channel about? This channel is going to be about talks, self-development talk. There's going to be some beauty videos, fashion videos, lifestyle. We're going to do DIY tutorial, anything that I find helpful, anything that I think you guys should know or you guys should learn, I'm going to share it here. All right, so guys, you guys don't want to miss it, so subscribe to my channel. So the next question is, where are you from? I'm from Abia State, and that's in Nigeria, just in case I'm manifesting international people, just in case you're not Nigeria. The next question is, where do you stay? I stay in Lagos, but I school in the east. I school in Owerri. The next question is, why should anyone subscribe to your channel? This question is very important. If you're my friend, you must subscribe. You don't have a choice. Like, you should subscribe to my channel. If you're somebody that would love to level up this year, would love to improve yourself, because I'm going to be having a lot of talks, we're going to invite people here. This channel is going to be entertaining. My channel is going to be that channel that anybody that is having a bad day will just come. You're also getting entertained and you're learning. It's going to be I think so, I've heard somebody say edutainment, education and entertaining at the same time. There's going to be pranks, healthy pranks, DIY tutorials. Guys, you guys are not ready for the tutorials I have for you. You're not ready. Like, trust me, you are not ready. And if you don't want to miss all these things, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe now. The next question is, where do you see your channel in 5 years? How do I answer this question? I'm someone that believes in God. I know that you guys will be like, why is she going to spiritual? I'm someone that believes in God. I don't want to say that I'm going to get 100k subscribers in 5 years, or I'm going to get 1 million subscribers in 5 years, because I want God to take the wheel. Where do I see myself? I'm definitely going to grow, but I don't want to give myself a particular number. I just want God to take control. Like, Jesus, take the wheel. Do you get? I know that I'm going to grow because I have Jesus. It is obvious that I will not be the same way. Anybody that sees my channel will be like, oh my God, this girl is a product of grace. So God's grace is going to shine on this channel. This channel is going to be successful. In 5 years time, it will be successful. I'm just living it for God. God knows where I will be and where this channel is going to be in 5 years time. If you understand what I'm saying, just say I feel you in the comment. Type I feel you in the comments if you understand what I'm saying, because I don't know if anybody's like me that usually, even though I write my goals down, I just also let God take control. Sometimes I pray before I write my goals. All right, so let's get into the next question. Who are your top 10 YouTubers? I love a lot of YouTubers. My top 10 YouTubers are, I'll start with Dima Ume. I love Dima Ume a lot. Okay, I love her makeup videos. I loved her lifestyle videos. In fact, I think Dima Ume was the first YouTuber I started watching. I think most of the basic makeup tricks that I learned was from Dima. Like Fegrachi in Bemena. I enjoy her videos a lot, her YouTube videos. Guys, if you want to learn anything about YouTube, just go and watch her videos. Another person YouTuber that I enjoy is Amiechi. I love Amiechi a lot. I love Ihoma Eze. I love Tayo Aina. I love Amal Sinobi. I love Izine Zara Teki. Right? Yes, and I love her. But Jack Aina, right? I love her. Then I love it's only one person. Who's this last person? Kamsin Namani. God, how can I forget my she's one of my faves. I love her a lot. I love her videos. Next question is, what is your favorite thing about YouTube? I love everything about YouTube, trust me. I love the fact that I love the community. I love the fact that YouTubers support YouTubers. You know, they can be supportive when they want to be supportive. Let's be honest. I also like the fact that I can easily check for product reviews on YouTube. Guys, before I get anything, I always go to YouTube, and not just only the YouTuber that does the review. I go to the comment section and I read what people say. So if a YouTuber does a review and it doesn't work, you see people will come to that video and type it already. Like, I mean, even if the YouTuber keeps deleting, you can't delete a lot of negative comments. Do you understand? And that's one thing I love about YouTube, and that is what I want my channel to be. I also want to contribute to the YouTube community. I just hope I'm not talking fast. Okay, so the last question is, what is your worst thing about YouTube? My worst thing about YouTube is the trolling, guys. The trolling and reaction videos. Guys, I hate reaction videos. Like, most of the reaction videos that I see, they're always trolling people. Like, you see this person making reaction video about Nello Keke, making reaction video about Kamsin Namani, making reaction. Like, I hate it. Like, that is one thing I hate. Like, people do not even really care if they are bringing somebody down. Everybody just wants views. Everybody just wants their channel to grow. It's like, why would you paint somebody black because you want some views? Like, why? And I think I remember seeing somebody saying one horrible thing about Messi Chinwo's husband cheating. Why? Like, you are lying on your channel because you want people to tap on this video and see. Anyway, I don't blame you. I blame the people that like gossip. That's the truth. Because I mean, if you have people like me, hey, my dear, you will not have views. You will not have views because I will not click on it. Like, it is obvious that you are lying. Like, why do you have to lie because of views? Anyhow, Shara, that's like the only thing I hate about YouTube. But aside from that, I love YouTube. And I'm not going anywhere. I did it. Yeah. Okay, guys, so if you've watched this video up to this point, I'm sure you're enjoying this video. I know you are enjoying it, like, no doubt you are. But please and please and please, right now, I'm not proud, I'm begging, like this video so that other people can see this video. Drop a comment and subscribe. Support your girl now. For you to watch that video from the beginning to this point, it means you're a G. You're my G. Okay? Alright, so let's get to the free gifts. Alright guys, so I just want to say congratulations to everybody that made it to this point. Okay, so now it's time for the free gifts. Okay, so I promise to share some gifts to, I sit upright, you know, to give it to anybody that watched this video to this point. Now guys, if you'd like to start your YouTube channel, okay, you know, I have some tips for you. I know you're going to be like, why is this girl, someone that just posted her first video, is giving this tip? Guys, it took me, I'm not joking, it took me 1 year, like 1 year, to summon this courage to do this thing. So if you're like me, or if you were like me, I don't know how to put, or if you're like me basically, and you're still like, how do I start, how do I summon up the courage to do this, just watch out, like, just follow through, and trust me, you guys are going to find these tips really helpful. Okay, and this does not just only apply to YouTube, this applies to any other thing. Let's say you want to take Instagram seriously, let's say you want to take your email marketing seriously, like your TikTok seriously, or whatever thing you want to take seriously this year, and you're like, when do I start? Like, when do I start? This is the best time to start. But anyhow, let me teach you how to start. Like, I know you want to start, like, you know you want to start, but you don't know how to start. I'm going to teach you how to start. So the first thing is to be ready. Yes, be ready, guys. You have to be ready, trust me. I know people will tell you just start, but you can't just start. You have to be ready. You have to do your research. You have to, like, decide, okay, what do I want to do in my YouTube video? What do I want to do? What do I want to post on my Instagram page? Or what do I want to post on my TikTok? Whatever thing that you plan, whatever platform. But I'm going to focus on YouTube. Let's focus on YouTube, so you can apply this to anywhere. But whatever thing you decide to do, make sure you do your research. Do your research. You search, you plan. Like, what do I want to do? Like, what I want to shoot in my video. Do your research. You can decide, do I want to answer a Q&A about myself on my first video, or do I want to do a Q&A about YouTube just like mine? You can even copy the 10 questions that I called out. You can actually copy it and ask yourself about it on YouTube. Do you get? You don't have to say exactly the same thing I said. Just say unique things about yourself. Just say, like, just be yourself and be real. Do you get? So do your research. Decide what you want to do. You know, just do your research basically. Once you've done your research, that's the first step and you're ready. So the second step is to plan. Guys, you need to plan. You need to plan everything, guys. Like, when I mean planning, from scripting to filming to editing to posting, you need to plan everything. You need to plan, okay, this is what I want to do in my video. After you've done your research, you need to plan, because remember, if you fail to plan, you do what? You plan to fail. You need to plan everything. Would you like me to show you guys how I plan my videos? Do let me know in the comment section, and I will make a video specifically for that. I'll show you guys how I make my video, how I plan my content. It's because if I don't plan, I will not do anything. So planning helps you. Okay, this day I'm going to do this video. Guys, I even planned my outfit. That's how serious I am. I even planned my jewelry, planned everything I was going to do. I planned I was going to do my makeup. So you need to plan. You need to plan everything. And once you're done planning, you go to stage 3. The third one is set a deadline, guys. I know that a lot of people, you know, will tell you need to plan, you need to do your research, but guys, you need to set a deadline. Because if you don't set a deadline, guys, you can, you know, you can keep planning your YouTube video for 2 years. Yes, you can. In fact, I was like that. I will always say, this is what I want to do, but you need to set a deadline. You can say, today I want to plan my YouTube video. Today I'm going to, tomorrow, but you can say, let's say for example, today is Sunday. You can say, on Sunday I'm going to plan what I'm going to do, or on Sunday I'm going to do my research, or Wednesday I'm going to script my video, on Thursday I'm going to edit the video, on Friday I'm going to film. You know, just different. I'm not saying it in the right order. I'm just like giving different instance. So you just like plan, set a deadline. Like, okay, my YouTube video or whatever, my Instagram post is going to go live on 10th of July. Whenever you're going to watch this video, set a deadline. When you set a deadline, that way you'll be able to stay consistent. And once you set a deadline, get an accountability partner, guys, because you can actually set a deadline, you won't keep it. You need to get an accountability partner, guys. Currently my accountability partner is my father. It shocked you, right? Okay, guys, but I didn't literally tell my dad that I want to film YouTube, because I'm studying YouTube. I just told my dad that it's something that I need to do on so day, so that please can you call me and remind me and ask me if I've done it. So the fact that I've told my father gave me that, you know, responsibility that, oh no, don't let your father ask you if I've done this thing, because I wouldn't want to lie. That would be a cheap lie. You get? Set an accountability partner. It could be your best friend, it could be like your coach. You know what some people do these days is to register for mentorship program. You know, you can register for programs like that can easily follow up on you. Anyone, if you know you can't afford it, look for any of your friends that, you know, let's to carry your matter on your head like a gigi bread. Carry your matter on your head like a gigi bread. How? Are you feeling it? Anyway, I'm just joking. Anyhow, guys, please, you need that kind of person that would take you seriously. So that way you would be consistent. That way you'll be able to take that step. Because for some people, when they start something, they are consistent. Okay, I know people that once they start, that they don't stop. So they just need that push to start. And trust me, starting is the main thing. Once you start, I feel like it's easy for you to stay consistent once you start. Last thing is stop overthinking it. I have to come closer to the camera and say it. Stop overthinking it, okay? Stop overthinking it. Stop seeing it, guys. As I'm telling you, while I was filming this video, or while I'm still filming this video, because I film in bits. As I was watching this video, at the point when I was watching previously, I was like, hey, I'm not getting this in. But I'm like, no, I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to, I filmed it, I've said whatever I'm saying. This is my first video. I don't expect my first video to be perfect. And that's how your own should be. You don't expect your first to be perfect. This is your first video. Subsequently, you're going to keep learning on the job. As you're working, you keep learning. This is your first time. I mean, when you went to school the first day, did you start writing perfectly? No. Your first handwriting was jaka. It was jargons. I mean, like, subsequently, you kept improving. That's how your YouTube video is going to be. Stop overthinking it. pray and post it. Like pray and commit your, you say, God, oh, this is the first video. I know that you guys will say grace has come again with, you know, being spiritual, but it's just that you pray about, say, God, do I commit this video into your hand? You pray and you post it. You just post it, and when you post it, you learn. That way you're able to know that, oh, okay, this is what people love about the video, or this is what people do not love. By the time you shoot like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, you'll be able to learn. Okay, you'll be able to learn, you're able to correct yourself, and that's the only way you can get better. You get better by doing it. Okay, yeah, and this is not just only for you guys, this is also for me. Like, I do myself this thing, and that's what I'm telling you guys, that you guys can learn. So stop overthinking it, pray and post it. Okay, so yeah, that's all. I'm just going to summarize it. So the first one is to do your research, the second one is to plan everything, and the third one is to set a deadline. Don't forget, set a deadline. And the fourth one is to stop overthinking it, pray and post it. And after you've done that, trust me guys, your channel is going to be a success like mine. Yes, I'm manifesting it. My channel is going to be successful, and your channel will be successful, and we're going to be doing what? We're going to be doing what? Complete it on the comment section. Complete it. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. If you stayed to this point, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for staying to this point. I love you. You are the real G. Anyway guys, please don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. Please drop a comment, okay, say 1 or 2 things. And guys, please, I would love your suggestions. You know, if you have any video you like me to film or talk about, okay, please drop your questions in the comment section, and I'm going to film it. Definitely I'll put it into my content box. Okay, I'll put it there among the videos I need to film. So please drop your suggestions, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. You guys, please support your girl. Okay, support me. I need your support big time, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.